Hi, this is Nick. I'm CSR here at PrintPapa. I just want to give you a little tutorial here on installing the window static cling material. This here is a window static cling material. It is printed on a white glossy paper, which is easy to peel off and adhere to any window. You do want to make sure the surface is clean. Sizes available for this product are as small as 18 by 20 inches. Height, you can go 20 inches by 100 inches, and height you can go from 18 to 50 inches.
Hi, this is Julio with PrintPapa. I'm the large format manager, and I'm going to show you a really quick way to apply a static cling to your window. This is applying the basic static cling to your window. What you can do is you can remove the backing that's behind the image, the printed image, and you can go ahead and place the static cling on the window from the top to where you want to lay it out, and you could easily put your hand over it, just pressing it down gently. Unlike adhesive vinyl, this is very easy to move, to remove, to take off, to put back on any window or any smooth, clean, glass-like surface that you'd like to use.